Alright. Welcome to another Forex Killers update. And didn't we do well? So, level drawn here. We retested. We did a few things, and when was my last video? At the start of the week. We had a few different options of how we were going to get there, and it varies as the week goes on. So, if you want updated guidance, and with potential movements of the market, then jump into my free Discord. Did a lot of those updates this week. I'll just show you, so you've got a kind of an idea. I should have scrolled back before. Sorry. There's just a private little gold setup for the Discord. What do we do? I'm thinking where we go. So it's a pretty chill week. Here was a gold chart. There was a lot of sideways action at the start of the week, and we sort of got that down move on the majors, and I just sort of there's that big gold move. I just sort of with this, so here it was, this DXY. Once we sort of took out those highs, I was expecting price to move back, price to move back into the range. So sort of said, I said that somewhere. Gold down. Just running through some stuff. Sorry guys, a bit silly. Anyway, it was basically EU to move back into the range after it dropped down here. So I sort of just wrote on that London. I said not trading much tonight. I said I am expecting majors to move up. That was from here. London came in here, so we had that big candle down, and I said my bias is majors to move up. So we dipped down a bit here, but then just trended up through New York after taking out some of these lows over here. So trended, and then bit of a move here. What I put a small time frame set up there during the night. So this was last night. We didn't quite tag it till later, and just with how timing was with news, again, it's about the timing. So because it took so long to get to my target, I entered here at 9.50, but then just with how it was and the news coming up, I just exited, just for pretty much break even. I think I took a pip, as I just expected. I was hoping for a short little scalp down to here for like 20 pips, but we didn't get it. Here's obviously the news event, and I keep hitting my lines. The news event went it was anticlimactic at first, but then it took off after Powell started talking. So got that move on EU as expected last night, with this 4-hour breaking through. So we've well and truly shot up and taken those highs out. We've got the 4-hour break. So as was expected. Just going through a few gold charts. Ran a UCAD buy. This fell through 880. So I said fell through the level straight through here. So I said price fell straight through, looking for 880, leg down. And where was that? And then here we tagged that, and then I was looking for that move up. That move up ran overnight. Straight down. So we got that move up, and then I woke up this morning. So we got the 50 pip profit. I just said I'd take a profit at 50, and then I said on news, take your profit before news. This was a good retest here of the old prior EL, and I'm expecting that move to come. Expecting that move to come all the way down here, which I've been waiting for a while, right? It's taking its time to get there. So there's the big expansion legs, and then we sort of almost retested that EL. We had a smaller one in here that I've accidentally deleted, so that was a good retest. Really, the thing about where we are right now on the chart, and we know that different majors play differently, but I'm expecting this move to come down here. So we've got another 60 odd pips. GU rode that up 100 pips from news under this low here, and then rode that up to 880, and I've taken profit on the 100 pips, right? Now, the thing with the reason why, even though we've sort of almost hit that mark on DXY that I was expecting, it's that, you look at GU and some others, and they've still got more to go. So we're breaking out of here on the 4 hour, and we're also breaking out on the 8 hour, right, trend, and we've still got that double top and all that liquidity to take out. So for me, GU is not a short yet, right? It's just not a short. Now, EU does have the potential to be a short here, right? Even though you've got to consider them, collectively, but it's got the setup. Now, you could wait till London, see how this trends throughout Asia, because this could trend up, or you just take your short entries, wait for your sell setups, and use good risk management, because it can just keep on keeping on, right? So wait for your entries. DXY, we're just about to hit our target, 101. So it's looking like we're there. I've got this. I'll just show you I drew that for the team, for the Discord. So here I'm just running through the trades, as I said. There's that little EU short 1 minute time frame setup that I spoke about that we didn't really get. I got some guys talking. So this was a gold setup that I put, and this is just charting, waves ahead. So we're down here at 1925. I'm expecting to move up to 1930, 31, 32, back down to 1922, and then up. So 1, 2, 3. That's 3 waves, yeah? And then, well, I'll just take you to the chart. So 3 waves ahead, charting, yeah? So 32, down, and then up. All right, so if you want that sort of analysis, then jump into the Discord, and I can also teach you how to do it, how to chart it yourself. What do we do? We got some guys that are really good at fundamental analysis, like Danny here. So and he charts a lot, but he also does a heap of fundamental stuff, which is really great. Really great to have on the team. Just running through some trades, and then just talking about everyone this morning, just about where we're going, what's going on. But yeah, so I'll jump out of that now. S&P, absolutely beautiful. Spoken about this in my prior videos many times. Here's my chart. I drew this back here, and it's playing to a T, right? So started this squiggle back here. You can check my prior videos, and we're just going on up. We're about to hit my target, right above this high. I'm taking profit. We've taken the high. So look, at any time, it's a take profit for me. I'll check when I'm gonna take profit, and then I'm expecting that retrace. Yeah. So that's coinciding and confluent with the DXY pump that I'm expecting. So don't get all, the market can keep pushing to a point where you think that it's going to keep going, and that's generally what it does, right? For most retail traders, they think it's just going to keep going and keep going, and it's not going to stop. But you got to trust your TA. Now, again, just risk management is important, all that sort of stuff, because you don't just jump in. Definitely don't just jump in, but there's reasons why, we're expecting to move up. So trust your TA and just use good risk management. That was one of my old squiggles, and obviously it didn't play out, but that did change on the time frame, and I updated that we didn't get that big move up. So we got the move down, we got the big move back up, but we just stayed at this level, and obviously then I updated and expected this move down here. So we've hit target, and we're looking good again. Majors, I am expecting a sell. We got the move up, but they're not all doing what I want. So EU, I'm going to be looking for a sell on EU. GU, personally, I probably won't look for the sell just yet, just because of where it is. Really want to get above those tops, yeah. And that's fine. Just leave the pairs that don't look good, yeah. Just leave them. Don't even worry about it. If it's a regular pair you trade, sometimes you just got to leave it. It's not ready. Look at NU. Same sort of deal. It's not ready. It's not ready, yeah. So, I had some longs on that. I took profit about 700 here. Evidently a bit early, but I just had them set from a couple of days back. But yeah, we need to take out this liquidity above, but that doesn't mean that we're going to go straight there, yeah. So if DXY is gonna start moving up, these things can come down, and then DXY corrects, but then we take out the highs with something like NU. But meanwhile, EU doesn't take out the high, and DXY doesn't take out its low. So we know this can happen, right? Different pairs have different strengths. So you've got to trade the pairs individually, even though you can use confluence on DXY. So gold's going well. If you go back and check my videos, I also, I charted it from, so we nailed this correction, and we nailed this correction. So the bigger correction, and then this smaller time frame correction to go here. So if you want that sort of analysis, come into the free Discord. Forex Killers, I'll chuck it up in the description. Look, do me a favor, guys, if you watch this and you like the content, I know I'm only new, and I've got to prove myself and such, and I'm not all polished and etc. I'm just giving you legit my views on the market, and yeah, you're going to get coverage of the majors and S&P and XAU, XAG, and oil from time to time. So it just depends too. If people want to chat to me and ask me things, I'm happy to help out, and obviously it's going to get me a little bit more encouraged if we got a bit more activity going on in there. All right, look, I'm gonna get out of here, but do me a favor, grab that sledgehammer and pulverize that like button. Drop a sub. Hey, share it maybe. Say this guy's an Aussie guy. He rambles a bit. He's not that clear and concise at times, but he got good content. That's what I'm hoping. All right, guys, if you're in the long on XAU, I would take profit, absolutely. Not saying that it's ready for the short yet, but you never know. So take your profit, and then if you're in the long, looky here, we've started to sell off from taking that high. Meanwhile, I'm doing the video. I'm gonna look at this retrace and take profit on that, and then if you want updates, again, just come into the Discord. All right. Cheers.